the G2 test? Do they do parking in this parking lot?
No.
Okay, just to practice.
Yeah, it's way better to practice with cars than without cars.
I'll go on that side just so I can really...
Nice, right on. I'm watching how quickly you're steering. That's perfect.
Good.
Yeah.
And park and brake.
That's how you do it.
Do you have enough room to get out there?
I do. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Wow. No mistakes. Nothing. Sorry. You don't need me anymore. Okay, let's go do this same maneuver over at the road test center there. Swing out to the curb and we'll do the forward parking there.
Okay. Make sure no one's gonna come up behind me. Just pretend like there's a car there.
Yeah. Yep, you got it.
I was really about to signal out of here when it's very much just one.
Like you're just turning a corner. Eh?
Yeah. It's like such a force of habit sometimes.
Yeah, there's no harm if you do. Even though it's not necessary, there's no harm. Yeah, just use one of those white signs there like I did.
Okay. So which way would I signal? Would I still signal right even if I...
Yeah.
Okay.
See? That's the trick.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
Not really a curb so it does have those little curb things though.
Yeah, it's a judgment call type of thing.
Yeah, I feel like I don't want to pull up anymore because I don't want to hit it.
Okay.
I probably could.
Sure.